Welcome to this instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the SQ13 camera. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. Okay, so let's open the box. Now right over here is the manual. Okay, so let's take a look at the manual. It's in English. As well as in Chinese. Now this is a mount for the camera. And this is the charger and data cable. And right here is the camera. Now right away when you weigh it and feel it, it's actually heavier than some of the other cameras similar to it, and it is made of metal. Now right over here is the lens. I'm going to give you a close-up look. These are the night vision lamps, and right over here you have the power button and the mode button, and here are the LED lights for the various functions of the camera. Here's the charger port, and here is the micro SD card slot. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is to charge the camera. To charge the camera, just insert the charger cable into the camera and put the other end into the computer, and you're going to see the red light flash. As soon as the charging light stops flashing and turns to a steady red light, it means the camera is charged. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is to install a micro SD card. Now this camera takes up to 32 gigabytes of memory. Okay, so I'm going to install the micro SD card right now. Now you have to insert it in like so. And that's it. Now to remove the card, just push it in again. And that's how to remove it. Okay? Now with the micro SD card installed, the next thing you need to do is to power the camera on. To power the camera on, press and hold down the power button for about 2 seconds. Now, with the red light steady, the camera is now in standby mode. Now to take a video, press the mode button. Now, as you can see, the blue light is flashing and the camera is now recording video. To stop recording video, press the mode button again. Now as you just saw, the blue light stopped flashing and now the red light is steady. The video has been saved as an AVI file, and the camera is now back in standby mode. To take a photo, press the power button. Now as you just saw, the red light flashed off, the blue light flashed on, and then the red light flashed on again. So you just took a photo. Take another photo, press the power button again. You just took another photo. To take another photo again, press the power button again. You just took another photo, and so on and so forth. Now to put the camera in Wi-Fi mode, hold the mode button down for about 2 seconds. Okay, now as you just saw, the red light went off, and now there is a steady green light. And that means the camera is in Wi-Fi mode. Now you can connect the camera to a smartphone. Now there's several ways to do this. You could just download the app, and right over here are the QR codes. Now if you're downloading the app for Android or iOS, you can scan these QR codes right here, and then you can put the app on your phone, or you can just search for Sports DV, and that's the app that you use for this camera. What's nice about this app is that while viewing the footage, you can also control the camera itself. Now to turn the Wi-Fi off, press and hold the mode button for about 2 seconds. And the Wi-Fi function is off, and the camera is now back in standby mode. Now to put the camera in night vision mode, while recording a video, press and hold down the mode button for about 2 seconds. So I'm going to start recording video. Okay, now I'm going to press the mode button for 2 seconds. As you just saw, the blue light that was flashing went off, and now there is a steady yellow light, and the camera is now in night vision mode. I'm going to show you the lamps. They're lit up, as you can see right here. And the camera is now recording video with night vision. To stop recording video with night vision, press the mode button. Video recording with night vision has stopped. The video file has been saved as an AVI file, and the camera is now back in standby mode. Now when you take photos with this, they will be saved as JPEG files. To power the camera off, press and hold down the power button for about 3 seconds. Now as you just saw, the red light flashed several times, went off, and the camera is now powered off. Okay, so right here is a mount. Now this can be used like for a car dashboard. This is magnetic, so the camera can just sit right on here. And it can also pivot to get the desired angle. And right over here is a pail and stick surface, so you can just rest that right on top of a flat surface such as a car dashboard. And you also have 2 holes here, so you can potentially mount it on a flat surface and use screws. And this is made of metal. Now to use the camera as a webcam, all you need to do is to connect the camera to the computer. And after you connect the camera to the computer, just press the power button. You're going to hear the USB sound, and then the camera will be ready to be used as a webcam. Okay, so I'm going to be taking some footage with the camera, so please stay tuned. Okay, this is a test of the SQ13 camera. I'm currently doing a video test to see how the video turns out and to hear how the audio turns out. So here we go. So there you have it. This was a review of the SQ13 camera. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.